Hello my lovelies, hello. I've got an Amazon Prime deal day package to undo. That sounded... There's a Hoover wire in the way. No Hoover wire in the way now. But before I can undo this, I've got to finish off Mr. Producer's job. Putting the sheet under the bed. Actually, that's my job. I did the washing, didn't I? You did the hoovering, I did the washing. Right, so we're gonna... But yeah, and move your leg. Otherwise that's gonna hurt. Somehow. Where are you going? There we go. We can do it now. So, yes, it was Amazon Prime Day, wasn't it, if you're a Prime member? I'm a Prime member. I love my Amazon Prime. I get parcels the next day, when even if I order it at 11 o'clock at night. It's brilliant. Yes. Oh yeah, they have a sweater on, but I love it. I know. Yes. I've already had some felt tips. I had some makeup brushes. They are on the floor because they won't fit up there. They're fine down there. But this is a new thing. Now, I saw it on an advert actually. And then I got a notification on my Amazon Prime that it had gone down. It had gone down to £26 instead of 50 something pound. Now I do own 2 Amazon Firesticks. But this one has the Alexa voice recorder in it. So I had to give it a go. I did. So we're going to set it up in here. I do have my other one in here that I use quite a lot. I also have Amazon Prime on my phone. And I also have it on my tablet. And the monkeys have it on their tablets. And yeah, so it's all good. It is. Right. Right then. So we're going to hook it here. Bing. We've actually lost the remote for the one in the living room. Can't actually find it, so this is a good substitute. So we're going to set it up in here, and then I'll move it into my living room then. Oh, that's a bit bigger, the remote. Oh, we haven't put batteries in. Yes, that's a bit bigger. The other ones are quite small. And then you've got the Firestick. Oh, that seems bulkier as well. I guess Alexa. Oh, with a smaller. Can they have smaller USB sockets, or is that the same size? So shiny. Pardon? Have I not got a short lead? Yeah, I have too. Have them in different compartments. Is that the one that you want? But I don't normally use this one. I normally just plug straight in. So that's the one to use as like an adapter if you don't want it to break off. Basically plug that into there, like so. Now, one thing it's here. I can feel the weight of it. I'm gonna say the power lead actual box. So this is your power lead. That normally comes fastened up. So that's a bit weird that it's not fastened up. They normally do come fastened up. You can tell I've done this before, can't you? Then that little one goes in there. So once you plug that in and plug that in, you're good to go. But we're gonna have a look with this little. Oh, they even supplied the batteries. I love it. Even without packaging though, the batteries, they're probably trying to save on plastic. Yeah, wrapping around those little bit of plastic. You know, everybody's going nuts about saving on plastics, aren't they? So I'll figure out how to get into this now. It's got to go one way or the other, hasn't it, really? Okay. You have to use 2 fingers to undo it. It's a good job there's instructions on the back, isn't it, really? Ooh, look at that in there. That's not your usual coil. Ooh, Feels very state of the art. Are we going into the 21st century, Mr. Producer? Right, so the remote's on. With my little Alexa button. Oh, I'm a bit nervous. So that's all that finished with. That's the box finished with. And all the packaging finished with. But I'll take the packaging off the plug if I'm going to plug it in as well. Yeah. Probably the best way to keep it safe. Does that come off? That doesn't come off. That right bit. Right, so Firestick. Alexa voice remote. So you have 3 different ones. This one is your warranty. Product information and warranty on that one. Battery safety and things like that. Instructions. Electrical devices provided by entity forth. It doesn't say how long you have, but with Amazon you normally get a year, I think. So that is telling you about, alright, so Alexa, launch Netflix. Or Alexa, watch the Grand Tour. Alexa, play 90s music. I bet I could get Alexa hooked up to my Alexa in the kitchen. I can. Ooh, do more with your Fire TV. Ask Alexa to listen to music, view live feeds from smart home cameras, or control other smart home devices such as lights, thermostats, and more. So I can go, Alexa, play 90s music in the kitchen, and it'll start. It is good in one way, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see how the world goes. I just keep seeing the vision of The Simpsons when they moved into a computer house. And it's like Piers Brosnan with the voice of this computer on The Simpsons episode. And then he fell in love with Marge and tried to kill everybody else. And it's like, is that the way we're going? Is Alexa going to start killing people? Yeah. Open the back of the remote door. Right. Using your Alexa voice remote, follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, so I've got to plug it in. It says all the instructions will come up for me. Right, I'm gonna have to sit on the edge of the bed to do it. So where are you going, Mr. Producer? So let's take out my normal one. This one will be going back in here, but for now, it's got to come out. It seems to be wrapped in all the wires. That would be behind my TV. That's my remote for the other one. Look at the difference in the remotes. Right, we've got to unplug. How lovely. Right, I can't get to the things. Can we remove the arm or anything? The arm normally moves. Right, it's unplugged. Plug this one in. And bring it around the back. And plug it in. There we go. Right, let's get comfortable with the remotes. I just sat on all the packaging. The packaging. Right.
Yeah, a lot of them are very similar. We want something that's going to stand out, so we want character. Don't worry, I can make this look like $1 million. We'll take it outside. I'll show you kind of what we'll look to do to it. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So I press the home button because that's how you turn it on. But there is a power button now. Right. So press the play button to start. Okay. We want English United Kingdom. Big button to click OK. Do you want me to move forward towards the TV? So then you can sit. Me and the TV. Bit more. I'm going to fall off the bed if I go anymore. Am I too far now? Is that better? You see the TV better now? So, scanning for networks. I've even been clever enough to write down a password for the hub. Right, so that's our hub there. No, are you sure you want to, there we go, thank you. What I can do is just hide password as well. It's a good job you got it up because it's showing every single one here. It's take me a second because there's capitals and everything. Oh. Why are you doing that? It went off. And he's just checking for updates now for some reason. Oh, it's downloading the latest software. It's going to have a job on downloading the latest software. It didn't go onto the hub. So it may want to put me back on the hub in a minute. Let's go back a second. Right, let's start again, shall we? Scanning for networks. There we go. Start again. The cancel button is right next to the button that you do the lower and higher keys. So I may have clicked cancel by accident. I just realised. It goes to show how, hopefully, easy it is to set up though. If I can do it, then anybody can. Right, we're going to connect. Connecting. Connection successful. Now it's checking for updates. When I do my Alexa, do I need to take that off for it to recognise my voice better? Right. So I already have an account, so no looking again, Mr. Producer. I couldn't find that letter then. I went screen blind. I am quite quick on a keyboard, you noticed. Right, so we're in. So I'm going to take this off. Ooh. Wi-Fi passwords entered on this device will be saved to Amazon to help you connect your compatible devices. To learn more, you can enable or disable this feature in Settings, Networks, Wi-Fi passwords. We don't want to save the Wi-Fi password to Amazon, do we? Yeah. So, no. Don't want parental controls. Don't think I need them. So Amazon wanted to save our hub password. Yeah, you're alright. You don't need it. I'll just sign in every time. It's easy enough. Oh, we'll be playing music during the next step. Please make sure that the volume is turned up, then continue. So this is to check with music one. With your Fire TV remote pointing at the TV, toggle the volume up and down buttons. Oh, you can do volume control. Okay, that's it. The Fire TV stick remote is set up.
From BBC iPlayer, Netflix, Prime Video, the ITV Hub, and more. To get started, press the microphone button and ask Alexa to find what you want to watch.
Okay.
Alexa, find comedies.
Oh.
Alexa, play The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. Your next generation Alexa voice remote makes it easier to control your entire TV experience with dedicated power, volume, and mute buttons to control compatible TVs, soundbars, or receivers.
Will this work in the living room if it's not a smart TV? Should do, shouldn't it?
Check the weather, find local restaurants, play music, and that's just the beginning. To find more, just ask, Alexa, what can you do? Take your TV experience even further with Amazon Prime.
I'm on Amazon
Get
Prime.
access to thousands of popular movies and TV shows.
We do.
Prime members can also stream millions of
That makes you go dizzy.
ad-free
Don't look at that.
on their TV. All that, and unlimited one-day delivery on millions of items. Happy watching on your new Fire TV stick.
Thank you. Right, we'll download that one. Download that one. Download that one. Download that one. Don't want Disney Line. I want Sky News. We'll have BBC News. Don't want no sports. Don't want any of them, I don't think. I want Netflix. Where's my Netflix? Where's Netflix? Now onto... Right, that's just to download the apps of those ones. Put in. YouTube wasn't there. I'll have a look for YouTube. Ooh, because I've got to... Oh, there's Netflix. I don't know, can you play YouTube on this? Anyway, Alexa, find me Outlander. Alexa, what special offers are on Prime at the moment? Ooh, takes you to Amazon. I can go shopping with my TV. Alexa, how much is an Amazon Firestick with Alexa built in?
1 moment.
Oh, it's still £20. I might have to buy another one for in here and get rid of my other two. For only £20, that's quite good. Alexa, take me to YouTube.
Here's YouTube.
Right, we'll want to download that. Right, so that's queued with my other apps now. Ooh, you got an app. I'm never going to get you off this Fire Stick, am I? With playing YouTube. I can see it now. I'm going to search for myself. Is that a bit big-headed? It does work with Fire TV remote, it says. YouTube does. Who's the biggest one? I don't think you can do specifics. Let's go back. Netflix is there for me to sign in to. I have my Netflix. So these are the Amazon originals and exclusives that you can get. Amsterdam's a really good one. I've watched that one. Right, so Alexa, take me to YouTube.
Here's YouTube.
And YouTube. Sign in. So we use YouTube signed out for now. Okay. Alexa, find me Adelesexyuk UK on YouTube.
Getting that from YouTube.
That ain't me. They're dolls. What are they? It didn't do the name right. Alexa, find Adelesexyuk UK.
Getting that from YouTube.
There I am. That's a bit better. Sexy jock. It found me this time though. There's the other Adele, look. I'm up here. I'm this way. I only found that one. Adelesexyuk USA or Adelesexyuk UK. Hard. Hey, that's one of my recent ones. 3 days ago. Ah, double stuffed Oreo bites.
Hi, honeys. We're gonna have some lunch now. We are having today.
Was that this year or last year, that one? I can't remember. They're all there. I still haven't got my baby back. My laptop. I'm upset about that. Oh, that's where I knew it. Ooh, Anna clothing. I don't tend to watch my videos, you know, after I've done them. So to see them all, it looks quite weird. That was a hard day, that was, when we had to clean all the fence and do all that. Oh, these are the ones that we've liked. Patreon. Click on Patreon. Beep. Because I am on Patreon. I don't think I'll come up on Patreon. This is Patreon's own YouTube videos. It doesn't show their creators on this one. So. Okay, now. Huh? Me and Patreon. Alexa, find Adelesexyuk UK on Patreon.
Getting that from YouTube.
I wonder what she'll come up with. Nothing. Alexa, find me Adelesexyuk UK on Patreon.
Getting that from YouTube.
Yeah, it's not going to find it. Pardon? Global. Google. Alexa, open Google.
Here's what I found.
Ah, they don't have Google. They have Firefox. Ah. News, My 5, Amazon Music, Firefox, look. So yeah, that is your Amazon. I might buy another one. I might. That is, pardon? Twitter. Alexa, open Twitter. I'll put it in. It's that button. Nearly turned it off. Alexa, open Twitter.
Here's Twitter on Fire TV.
Don't think that's the right Twitter. No. Don't think that's the right Twitter somehow. I think it's an arts thing. I think it's not the internet. Alexa's not. You can get certain apps and things, but you can't get all the apps. It's more for movies and videos, look. Yeah? And TV shows. And different apps are here, look. Games, hot new releases. Recommended for you, entertainment, all sorts. No Twitter things, no, they're more social media side, aren't they? This is more the telly side. Yeah. So there we go. My Amazon Firestick with Alexa remote control. Thank you for joining me and opening it up and trying it out. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's only £20 still at the moment on Amazon, so go check it out. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram, Adelesexyuk. Don't forget about coming to find me on my Patreon. 4 easy ways to get there. You can check to see if the link's in the box below, but it isn't over 18, so it may not be. Google me at Adelesexyuk Patreon, or come and find me through the links that are on my Twitter and my Instagram at Adelesexyuk. Thank you very much, my lovelies, and I will see you all very soon. Goodbye.